Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I'm creating this makeup look. So it's like orange cut crease with this winged liner and bold lashes, and everything is like orangey nude but with orange undertones vibe. So if you wanna know how I created this look, please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. First I'll do my eyes and I'll prep them with this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 326 Vanilla. I'll set it with yellow shade from Wet n Wild Contour Kit. Now I'll take this big BH brush and again Urban Decay Burnt Around palette, and first shade I'm using is this one called Weekender. And I'll just do a bit of transition with it. Now I'll take Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and the shade Blazing, and with this smaller blending brush I'll apply it as my second transition just to get a bit of that warmth. I'll go back into Burnt Around palette and I'll take this dark brown shade called Punk with this small blending brush, and I'm starting in my outer corner and working it through my crease. I'll take flat brush and a glitter glue and I'll cut my crease. I'm going into Makeup Revolution glitter palette and I'll take this middle part shade called Magnificent, and this is orange glitter, like orange gold glitter but mostly orange. I'll take this single shadow from Wet n Wild and this is called Panther, and with smudger brush I'll apply it in here and I'll slightly blend it into glitter. So I did my both eyes and now I'll do my face and I'll go back to my eyes. So first I'll apply my concealer, and this is LA Girl HD Pro Conceal and this is in the shade Natural. It seems like I'm running out of it. I started blending my concealer with this small like kabuki brush, so I'll first do it with this and then I'll tap it with my beauty blender. I'll set it with Jeffree Star Topaz loose setting powder. To bronze a bit my face, I'm taking Wet n Wild Contour Kit and this one's in the shade Caramel Toffee. Highlighter I'm using is Mary Lou from The Balm. And blush is also from Wet n Wild and it's in the shade Pearlescent Pink. I'll just apply a bit of my highlighter in my inner corner. Now I'll take my eyeliner. So this one is from Essence, Liquid Ink Eyeliner. I really liked the look of that from my Arabic type of makeup tutorial. I leave it linked so you can see it, but I really like how this looks. I mean, I still think this won't last a long time on my face because my eyes are so watery, but never mind. I'll take this double-ended brush and again that black shade, and I'll apply it on lower lash line from outer part to inner. Now I'll go back into Huda Beauty palette and I'll take shade Blazing, and with it I'll a bit blend lower lash line. I'll take this white eye pencil and apply it a bit under my brows. And I'll again take these lashes I used in my Arabic tutorial, so these ones here, and these are like really big ones, but I really like them. I forgot to film this, I don't know how or why, but I did. So I did my lips and I lined them with this Belle Cosmetics Precision Stay On Lip Liner in the shade 04, and then I filled them in with this Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Aftermath lipstick, and this is like brick orange shade, and this is nude with orange tones in it, so I wanted to go with this whole orangey vibe. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I think it looks really cool, so if you like it also, please give this video a big thumbs up. You can always comment something if you want, and share this with friends, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!